Grand King Momo Carnival Parade with Goa's biggest, most happening band. Let's check out the event that was held in Dubai.
Welcome to the Carnaval De Goa, a grand Goan event being held here at the Dubai Millennium Airport Hotel. As you see in the background, the color, the sound, the music, it's just amazing. So this show, Carnaval De Goa, is conceptualized and organized by Razmata's 360 Degrees Event Management. As Razmata's 360 Degrees and the entire team, we have been bringing the flavor of Goa to the UAE. We have been doing many shows like this. We started off last year in Jan with Voice of Goa or Goin Sotalo, which was a big success, followed by the Goan Fiesta Night, bringing all the Goans again under one roof in the true spirit of Goa.
Baby, hands up, give me your heart, give me your heart, give me all your love.
When it comes to my mind, I think it's only one place to have fun, where the whole world unites, and it's the place to enjoy, relax, and have the best memories of your life. When I tell my friends I'm from Goa, and when I see the smile on their face, it's like, wow, are you from Goa? I'm like, yes, and I'm so proud to be a Goan.
For the first time, Razmata's 360 has organized such a wonderful event, and we are all having a great time.
Viva Carnival!
This is one of the biggest Goan event ever held in Dubai. This is Goan Carnaval De Goa 2020. We've been planning this for a long time, and finally, after almost 6 months, we have put this together, Carnaval De Goa 2020, for the entire community in UAE. Well, you can see this is the most happening event ever held in the last many years in UAE. Razmata's 360 Degrees and Carnaval De Goa 2020.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, join in the Carnival Parade. Let's make some noise. I want everyone who's standing behind, please come forward.
The event is really organized very well. Thanks to Conrad and his companions for putting up such a beautiful event in front of us. As experts and as Goans, we rarely have an event that showcases Goan culture, and it was really wonderful to see this happen over here. I hope we get to see many more events like this being organized in Dubai. Thank you.
I got my first real cigarette, throwing in the fire and die. Played it with the fingers, play. In the summer of '69.